Nós temos bishita for de Finland, para nós essa aqui tá grande honor, e tem conexão com o projeto de Erasmus Plus. Nós vai na 2022 bishita Finland, nós queremos wakti com kiko ta haci com nanta país comigo educacion. E nós queremos aqui que está sendo diferente na nós, onde biahe que anan também quer bem conhecer ora no escola, conhecer Aruba, wakti com Aruba tá happy island. E também nang mesmo meta ng personal para wako ng pologre din school. Tawara invertir hopi mes din enseñanza na Finland, tawara invertir hopi din docente ng mes. Anto mita bisa si ku dona nos tas di placa e nos ta competir con nang tambe. Nanting in principe ng idioma Swedish, después in Finland, pero idioma ta enseñanza ta gratis ayanana. E nanta tuts, nanotin tuts, nanta tuts solamente ora bom se vai enseñanza avançar, para por wak den que direção bota vai, pero nanta vai nanta tuts hopi ribe parte de com muita ta sinti, que la sinha de les com a frau do ne les, que por mahera pero nada cuta sumativo, nada de cijfers, nada de wak, que muita sinha o que nanta se ta compronde manhã e depois outro manhã ela lubide, pero bota vai erma dona e muita tools nang kuta yudele den subida.
The school is very colorful, it's very lively, it looks very happy. I think the pupils are concentrated, somehow relaxed. And we are here trying to learn about the well-being, how they maintain the well-being at school, well-being of pupils and both adults as well. Yes, educational ideas. We have taken a lot of pictures and we are trying to listen and look how they do things in different classes. So that's very important also. Well, we are concentrating on actually what we can do better with our pupils because they have already seen our school 2 years ago and now we are trying to learn from Aruba. I think it's mutual. They were learning from us and we are learning from them.
We are visiting here because of the Erasmus Plus project to see, because we have heard that Aruba is one happy island and Finland is the happiest country in the world. So we want to see what is similar between our schools and our lifestyles more than what is different. We are finding out what we have in common and we are trying to learn about the happy things in Aruba.